Hello and welcome to lesson number 26, and today's lesson will walk through the principles of quality management. So the objectives that we'll cover in today's lesson are as follows. Firstly, I will discuss a little bit around the background to quality management, explain some of the principles associated with that. We'll go into greater depth then on each of the individual 7 principles that are that come together to make a quality management system. And the 7 principles listed are customer focus, leadership, engagement of people, process approach, improvement, evidence-based decision making, and relationship management. So as background then, we can say that quality management ensures that an organization, a product or a service is consistent. And quality management has 4 main components, namely quality planning, quality assurance, quality control, and finally quality improvement. Quality management is focused not only on product and service quality, but also on the means to achieve it. Quality management, therefore, uses quality assurance and control of processes as well as products to achieve more consistent quality. The 7 principles of quality management are the foundations that the ISO 9001 certification is built on. The ISO 9000, ISO 9001, and the related ISO quality management standards are based on these QMPs, and we would have previously spoken about some of the ISO 9000, 9001, and the ISO principles or standards. So they're built on the following 7 quality management principles, and we will go into more detail on each one of those individual principles and discuss further. So the first one is customer focus, and the primary focus of quality management is to meet customer requirements and to strive to exceed customer expectations. As you'd expect, customer focus is the first principle, right up at the top where it should be. It covers both customer needs and customer services. This principle stresses that a business should understand its customers, what they need, and how and when they need it, while trying to meet, but preferably exceed, customers' expectations of the product. Some of the key benefits then in ensuring that system is customer focused would be increased customer value, increased customer satisfaction, improved customer loyalty, enhanced repeat business, enhanced reputation of the organization. The next principle then is leadership, and without clear and strong leadership, a business will flounder. This second principle of leadership is concerned with the direction of the organization. The business should have clear goals and objectives and ensure its employees are actively involved in achieving those goals. Leaders establish unity of purpose and direction of the organization. They should create and maintain the internal environment in which people can become fully involved in achieving the organization's objectives. The benefits of higher levels of employee engagement and increased motivation to satisfy their needs will show that once employees are kept in the loop and understand the business vision, they will become more productive. So some of the key benefits then would involve increased effectiveness and efficiency in meeting the organization's quality objectives, better coordination of the organization's processes, improved communication between levels and functions of the organization. And actions that leaders can take to ensure this principle is enforced would be to communicate the organization's mission, vision, strategy, policies, and processes right the way throughout the full organization, to create and sustain shared values, fairness, and ethical models for behavior at all levels of the organization, to establish a culture of trust and integrity, encourage an organization-wide commitment to quality, ensure that leaders at all levels are positive examples to people within the organization, provide people with the required resources, training, and authority to act with accountability, and finally, inspire, encourage, and recognize people's contribution. The next principle then is people involvement. The process approach is all about efficiency and effectiveness, and well-managed processes reduce cost, improve consistency, eliminate waste, and promote continuous improvement. Competent, empowered, and engaged people at all levels throughout the organization are essential to enhance its capability to create and to deliver value. People at all levels are the essence of an organization, and their full involvement enables their abilities to be used for the organization's benefits. This requires employees to be treated with dignity and respect. They must be trained to build competence where required. Each employee must know what exactly is required to be done, and where possible, must be able to assess the quality of his or her work. You need to involve employees in quality plans and draw upon their intimate knowledge of processes for improvement. Assess employee satisfaction level and take appropriate measures to improve their morale so that they keep taking pride in belonging to the company and pride in their work. It's important to involve all people at all levels and to respect them as individuals. Recognition, empowerment, and enhancement of competence is an important way of engaging people in achieving the organization's quality objectives. The key benefits then of people involvement will be improved understanding of the organization's quality objectives by people in the organization and increased motivation to achieve these objectives. Enhanced involvement of people in improvement activities, enhanced personnel development, enhanced people satisfaction, enhanced trust and collaboration throughout the organization. Process approach is all about efficiency and effectiveness. It's also about consistency and understanding that good processes also speed up activities. Great processes reduce cost, improve consistency, they eliminate waste, and promote continuous improvement. Key benefits include things like enhanced ability to focus effort on key processes and opportunities for improvement, consistent and predictable outcomes through a system of aligned processes, optimized performance through effective process management, efficient use of resources, and reduced cross-functional barriers. Some actions that leaders can take include ensuring the necessary information is available to operate and improve the process, and to monitor, analyze, and evaluate the performance of the overall system. Manage risks that can affect outputs of the processes and overall outcomes of the quality management system. Cultural improvements is the next quality management principle, and this principle is very straightforward. Continual improvement should be an active business objective. The benefits of this are clear: increased ability to embrace new opportunities, organizational flexibility, and improved performance. Especially in difficult economic times, the businesses that thrive are those that can adapt to new market situations. Continuous improvement should be a permanent objective of the organization. This requires measurement of quality, analysis of quality data, and investigations of non-conformities, seeking opportunities for improvement rather than reacting to quality problems, and finally benchmarking. Some of the key benefits include improved process performance, organizational capabilities, and customer satisfaction. Enhanced focus on root cause investigation and determination, followed by preventative and corrective actions. Factual approach to decision making. A logical approach based on data and analysis is good business sense. Unfortunately, in a fast-paced workplace, decisions can often be made rashly without proper thought. Implementing the quality management principles that we've discussed will allow decisions to be made with clarity. Decisions based on the analysis and evaluation of data and information are more likely to produce desired results. Facts, evidence, and data analysis leads to greater objectivity and confidence in decision-making. Key benefits include improved decision-making processes, improved assessment of process performance and ability to achieve objectives, improved operational effectiveness and efficiency. Actions that leaders can take include determining, measuring, and monitoring key indicators to demonstrate the organization's performance, making sure that all data is available to the relevant people, ensuring that data and information are sufficiently accurate, reliable, and secure, analyzing and evaluating data and information using suitable methods, and ensuring people are competent to analyze and evaluate data as needed, and finally making decisions and taking actions based on the data. And finally, relationship management. For sustained success, an organization manages its relationships with interested parties such as suppliers. Sustained success is more likely to be achieved when the organization manages relationships with all of its interested parties to optimize their impact on its performance. Actions that leaders can take include determining relevant interested parties such as suppliers or customers, investors, or even employees, and their relationship within the organization. And that's the last slide. Thanks for listening.